Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create discount codes in the Faces app. To begin, click on your logo or initials in the top left corner of the homepage. Then scroll down slightly and find Discount Code. From there, select Add New Discount to create your own discount code. You can choose your own discount name or discount code name by typing it into the first box. Next, choose the discount type. You have the option of a fixed amount or a percentage. For this example, I'll select percentage. Then enter the percentage you'd like to offer, for instance, 20%, and set the expiry date. Once you've added all the details, make sure the Enable Discount Code option is switched on. This allows your clients to use the discount code you've created. When you're happy with everything, click Save. After that, you can share the discount code name with your clients so they can apply it to their treatments. That's it for today. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.